Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks so much for watching Brent Speed TV. Hey, for you subscribers out there, took a little bit of a break the last couple of weeks, but I'm back. Today we have a 21 GT. It's an automatic Roush supercharged. We're going to talk about that. We're going to watch a dyno pull. We're going to look at the oil separators we installed on the car, and I'm going to get one out that's not on it to show you how an oil separator works, because a lot of you don't really understand what that is, as well as we have some, I'm so excited, MRT hood struts on the car, so we have no prop rod. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us, stay up to date. Doug, let's go check this out. All right, hey, sorry if I look a little bit sweaty. We have a 105-degree heat index here in Indiana. It's a little bit hot. We're sitting in June. We have a 21 GT with 1,000 miles, 93 octane, automatic. Doug, come down and take a look. We installed the Roush, the TVS. It's a 2600 supercharger. This thing's awesome. 50 state kit, flywheel rated at 750 horsepower. In the heat today, I am hoping for over 600 of the tires. But Doug, I want to take a look. I want to talk about the UPR oil separators. We have one over here. This is what we call the driver's side. It's a kit. You buy the kit, you get everything. We have the driver right here. Passenger mounts over here. Now, why do you want an oil separator? After you watch the dyno pull, those of you want to stick around, I will talk to you a lot more about that. And of course, we have the old MRT hood struts. I've got no prop rod here, so I'm very excited. Check out this dyno pull. All right, Dynojet SAE Automatic, 93 octane. And hey, how do you get a quote on getting something like this installed? Email quote@brentspeed.com. Check that description. I will put a link to this supercharger kit. You can read a lot more about it. And guess what? In stock, ready to ship. If you want to install it yourself, right here, Dynojet SAE 628 raw horsepower, 6,600 RPM. Torque comes in at 539 at 4,700. If you follow us and you watch a lot of these Roush videos, you'll see some automatics make a little bit more than that. But 105 degrees, you can't complain. Look at this car, 1,000 miles. I bet you in this video, this car looks black. It's not. It's super dark blue with a white stripe on it. It's really cool. Doug, come over here. Talk about oil separators. Again, hey, subscribe, notify if you haven't. I'd love for you to watch more videos that we make. But, okay, oil separators. Why do you want them? Well, when oil comes from up in your induction, it degrades your octane. So I'm saying this car is 93 octane, but you get a bunch of oil come up into the supercharger, or even if you have a naturally aspirated car, it'll degrade your octane. You don't want to do that. This is what a UPR oil separator looks like. And I know you guys see me talk about it a lot. I'm going to open this up so you can see this. Doug, come in here and take a look. When you open this canister, check that filter out. This is the canister that catches the oil. You have the filter here. So you're going to have the air coming over from like your valve covers, come into the canister, come up through. It's all going to get filtered, and it's going to go into the supercharger clean. The UPR kit is awesome for a Roush. It's direct fit, driver and passenger side. And then we have some other brands as well if you're a naturally aspirated car. But that's why you want an oil separator. Don't let your octane get degraded. Doug, one more look. This does have the upgraded covers on it right here. So these don't come in the Roush kit. You got to buy them separate. But I think it really cleans up the engine compartment. And this is all what does come in the kit, which I always, like I've told you before, I love the fact you can see the air filter on there. So hey, I'm Brent from Brent Speed. If you have any questions, of course, leave a comment. Happy to answer. Quote@brentspeed.com. What's it cost to get installed? Please subscribe and notify, and then that description, I'll put the blower, I'll put the UPR separators on there, so you can read a lot more about it, as well as the MRT hood struts, because guess what? If you got a little bit of money in your pocket and your car's stocked, you can put those on there, pop your hood at a car show, and not deal with that prop rod. Thanks for watching.